Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. I am going on a low carb, low sugar diet because of some health issues I'm having at the moment and I'm trying to fix it. So I've decided to start and try some new recipes that I haven't tried before. And I'm going to share this with you because I'm going to make a brand new recipe today that I haven't made before, and I will take you along with me. So let's start cooking. I will type the recipe in the description box down below. Start by adding 500 grams of frozen broccoli and 500 grams of frozen cauliflower to a 9 by 13 baking dish. Season the vegetables with garlic powder, Italian seasoning and salt and pepper to taste. With clean hands, give the vegetables a nice toss to coat them in all the seasoning. Add a jar of carbonara sauce to a mixing jug. Fill the jar with a third cup of water, close it and shake it to get out all the sauce. Season the sauce with about a tablespoon of Italian dressing mix. I will link my video on how to make the Italian dressing mix at the end of this video. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Now add a can of sliced mushrooms to the sauce. You can always use freshly sliced mushrooms if you prefer. Give it a good mix and then pour it evenly over the vegetables. bake this in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until tender. Heat olive oil and cook 500 grams of minced chicken breast in the hot pan. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Add about a teaspoon of Italian herbs and give that a mix. Deglaze the pan with a little bit of water. Now that everything is cooked, dish up the broccoli and cauliflower and top it with the chicken mince. Sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese for added flavor. I was quite impressed how this recipe turned out, and it was quite delicious and very satisfying for me. My son is not such a great fan of broccoli and cauliflower, but he didn't complain and he ate his dinner all the same. So I think that's a win, but next time I'll just make him some pasta on the side. I think that would be good. If you're not on a low-carb diet, you can always serve this on rice or on pasta. That would be a great option. So guys, this is all I've got for you today. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.